And we're outside here, downtown Ashland, Bill Cole, Honda, Nissan. Got my buddy Brian here. Now, we just looked at a Kicks just a minute ago. Easy to get in, same as this one. This is a little bit more of an upgrade, a little bit bigger inside, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. We got all-wheel drive on this one.
Yep.
It has a 201 horsepower, a VC turbo engine.
Well, that'll get on down the road, won't it?
Yeah, it will. It's still 34 miles a gallon.
You know, I was looking at the sticker there. It's hard to believe you got a turbo in there and can still get 34 miles per gallon.
Absolutely. With that 200 horsepower, right down the road.
Gone. Speeding ticket just waiting on you.
Yeah, you just got to be careful.
Man, let's look at a little bit of the inside of this bad boy around here. Let's see.
Let's go around the driver's side.
Yeah, let's go.
Now this also has that bird's eye view, 360-degree camera.
Yep, that's awesome.
You can see in and out.
Oh,
Take a look
yeah,
in
that's
there.
sweet right
this
there.
This is the SL, got all leather, panoramic sunroof.
Good Lord, I'm telling you right now, baby, smells great in here too. Got that new car smell. If you want to witness or smell this smell, come on down, Bill Cole Honda, Nissan. Try out this Rogue. It's a bad boy. Brian, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Go shopping anywhere you want. You're going to buy from here. See you.